QNT is attempting a massive breakout to the upside, and at the time of this recording we are now attempting to break above the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart. And the moment that plays out and we also manage to break above the significant high that we made above the $69.4, there are high chances that we can easily see QNT break above the $80 mark in the next coming hours. And on today's video, I will be discussing my breakout target areas, give you an Elliott structure that is playing out, and above all, discuss my long-term price prediction analysis. And for those of you that might be interested in taking a trade on QNT, you can check out BINANCE, which is giving you up to 5,000 USDT in rewards, and you can claim up to that USDT in sign-up rewards, and I will be leaving a link down in the description box. Getting back to the charts, you can see that QNT on the 5th of August gave us a massive breakdown move, in a move that gave us a low below the $50 mark. And afterwards, we started a very nice recovery, obeying the Elliott structures, where we first picked in this Elliott count 1. And after we picked in that Elliott count 1, we started a breakdown move in an Elliott count 2, whose minimum target areas I have highlighted on the charts using this red target area, which is an area that I came up with using the Fibonacci's, connecting the fibs from the low of the first wave to the high of that Elliott count 1, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.382, which is an area that gave us a very nice reaction to the upside in what could be the start of an impulsive Elliott count 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that Elliott count 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, which perfectly lies above the $80.6. And once we have a high in place in that Elliott count 3, we can expect a pullback in this Elliott count 4, then continue gearing up even higher in that Elliott count 5. So that is the price action that I'm expecting on the short term. And for that to play out, I have said to you that we need to break above the 20-day MA, break above the significant high that we made above the $69.4, and the moment that plays out, then we can easily see that aggressive bounce getting us back above the $80 mark. Jumping to the daily chart to now discuss my long-term price prediction analysis, still basing it on the Elliott structures. On the daily chart, you can see that after getting our bear market lows down here, we saw an aggressive bounce to the upside, giving us a high above the $229 in a move that I'm terming as a larger Elliott count 1. And after we picked in that Elliott count 1, we started a corrective structure in this larger Elliott count 2, and there are high chances that we now have a low in place in this Elliott count 2, and in the next coming weeks or maybe months, we can continue gearing up even higher in this larger Elliott count 3, which can easily get us back above the $360 mark and above. And to just give you a sketch of the minimum target areas, I will be connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of that Elliott count 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area back above the $354.7. Then we can expect an Elliott count 4, then continue gearing up even higher in an Elliott count 5. So that is the price action that I'm expecting on the QNT chart for the next coming hours and also days. And I hope that video was of much help to you, and I hope to catch you on the next one.